Hey, uh, this is my Schedule Me app. Now I know I just barely had a video about this app, but I made a few changes. And there's some visual changes with like this login and sign up button they look like actual good buttons. But the main differences are what's in the schedule creator. So I'm going to sign in using this account. And I just wanted to show those changes real quick. So it takes you to the scheduler and it says, hey, first of all, this is your schedule. It says, hey, you don't have an events list. And since you don't have an event list, it says, look, here's a hint to click on that plus sign in the corner to create a new event. Okay, sure. Let's do that. Then it takes you to an event creation screen. And so I will call this Go Shopping. You can select a time and a day. Currently, you have to select between these choices. So let's go shopping right now it's 10:30. So let's say at 12, I'm going to go shopping. And today's Monday. It says, boom, there's your shopping event on Monday. And here's a hint that you can click on the weekdays to view just those days. And that's what that looks like. And here, there's an update and a delete function. So let's say I put in the wrong time. I can go to update and click, say I actually want to do it at 1 p.m. Let's update that. And then it changes to 1 p.m. And let's add a few more events. Piano practice at 2 p.m. on Monday. I'll put eat dinner at 5 p.m. on Monday. Let's do one more. This would be for Tuesday. At 3 p.m. Take a walk. Sure. It can be anything. I'm just making stuff up for the purpose of the video. But it displays all the events in order. You can view just Tuesdays, just Mondays, and only shows the events that are in this person's account. And if I'm not signed in, it'll take me to the login page. Let's say I finished shopping and it's 1:30 and I don't want that to be on schedule anymore. So I can hit delete. It prompts you if you'd like to delete this. And let's say no, I don't want to. It takes you back to the page. Nothing's changed. But let's actually delete it. And we can see that it's gone from the database. And it's not there anymore. And so this whole setup, this whole page of updating and deleting, it took me a while to do. But fortunately, I figured it out and I'm really happy with how it turned out. But that's my video. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I did.